I am ready. I just met the little pony, my little pony queen. Now, we have to go to the house to go check on the garden. I made a little house under there because I live tiny now. Okay. Let's go! Like I did last time. This time I'm jumping off of this. Ow. Oh, parachute. Oh, okay. And that's my house. The garden's right there. Let's go. Ooh. Okay, here it is. I found it. Okay. There it is. Okay, got vegetables. Check, check, check. Okay, everything's good. Now, I'm gonna go on an adventure that we've never done before.
You say that these abductees are trying.
This pressure's gonna take me a long way. Well, this is my washing machine. And in real life, I can't do this. This is fun. 3, 2, 1, time for a backflip. Hi-ya. That was a good backflip. Fully ground sisters in there. Go back. My game. Oh, it's time to land off the dirty clothes. Okay. Put it back in there. Okay, time to get on that scooter. Yeah. I think I broke my arm, guys. Look. Look at this one compared to this one. Okay. Oh, look at this. Look on this. Okay, to go. I think the Dumpling King stopped. I think he died. Oh, one place we haven't been. Bangs. To use 2 arms just to get it. Now I'm in the cabinet. Cool. Whoa. All the way up here. Wow, this is great. Look at that. It's up there. Okay, I don't want to know anymore. Guys, looks like I'm gonna have to use my parachute again now. I landed. Ouch. Ouch. Use my parachute. Okay. Let's go on to the trash. Yeah. Sorry about that. My mom called me and I'm so small. Let's see what. Oh, dang it. I'm not dang it anymore. Hey, I'm on the ice maker. Always want to go in the ice. Hey, that's cool. Alright. Landed on it. Wow, that's cool. Okay. Yeah. Whoa. Oh. It's my electric scooter that I can't even ride because it's too small. Okay. This is my sister's moped. Hush. Whoa. Wow. Okay. Whoa, it's my clean clothes. Oh. Ouch. I don't even need it. Ow. No, that's the My Little Pony queen. Up this way. Grabbing onto these little holes as I can. Look, I have to do this with one hand. Wow, one arm. Whoa, whoa, wow. Whoa. Oh. Okay. That's my mom. Okay. I don't have a parachute. Oh, oh, brown. Oh, I bounced up. What the? Oh. Over here. Well, that's it for the episode. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Go to sleep. Okay, time to go to sleep.